Welcome to Expert SCM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term called Genba. Genba is a Japanese word, also romanized as Genba, means the actual place. Japanese detectives call the crime scene as Genba, and Japanese TV reporters may refer to them as reporting from Genba. In businesses, Genba refers to the place where value is created. In manufacturing, the Genba is the factory floor. It can be any site such as construction site, sales floor, or where the service provider interacts directly with the customer. In lean manufacturing, the idea of Genba is that problems are visible and the best improvement idea will come from going to the Genba. The Genba walk, much like management by walking around, is an activity that takes the management to the front line to look for waste and opportunities to practice Genba Kaizen or practical shop floor improvement. Glenn introduced this term into quality function deployment for new products where manufacturing has not begun to mean the customer's place of business or lifestyle. The idea that to be customer driven, one must go to the customer's Genba to understand his problem and opportunities using all one's sense to gather and process data. Genba walk denote the action of going to see the actual process, understand the work, ask question and learn. It is also known as one of the fundamental part of lean management philosophy. Taiichi Ohno, an executive in Toyota, led to the development of concept of Genba walk. The Genba walk is an opportunity for staff to stand back from the day-to-day task to walk to the floor of their workplace to identify wasteful activities. The objective of Genba walk is to understand the value stream and its problem rather than review results or make superficial comments. Along with the Genchi Gebutsu or Go Look See, Genba walk is one of the 5 lean guiding principles that should be practiced by lean leaders on a daily basis. The Genba walk is an activity that takes the management to the front line to look for waste and opportunities to practice Genba Kaizen or practical shop floor improvement. Thanks for watching. Bye.